Hello guys, welcome to the video how to create AWS IAM users. I am Nam Haming from codejava.net. In this video, I'd like to share with you what is IAM in Amazon Web Services and some best practices for using AWS account and IAM users. And you will learn how to use IAM to create a user group, create an admin user, and create a user for Amazon S3. And to follow this video, you must have an AWS account. If you don't have any AWS account, I recommend you to follow the video how to create AWS account on my YouTube channel at this URL, and then come back to this video. So what is AWS IAM? AWS Identity and Access Management, or IAM, is the web service that helps you securely control access to AWS resources. Basically, you can use IAM to control who is authenticated or signed in and authorized, has permissions to use resources, grant other people permission to administer and use resources in your AWS account without having to share your password or access key, and grant different permission to different people for different resources, granular permissions, and grant programmatic access to applications which use AWS services. And the best practices for using AWS account and IAM users are use AWS account root user for account and service management only, and use IAM users for granting permission to people and programmatic access to applications. And with IAM, you could use the AWS account root user to create a user group and add new users to the group like this. And you could create another group and add other users to the group like this. So with IAM, you could create different users with different permissions under the AWS account root user. Alright, so let's head over to the homepage of Amazon Web Services at the URL aws.amazon.com and click the button Sign into the console. And the first time you need to sign in using root user. So enter the email of the root user here and click next and enter the security code, submit, and enter password. Click sign to sign in the AWS management console using the AWS account root user. Okay, so I am in the AWS management console, and you see the recently visited services IAM and S3. If you don't see the IAM services here, you can click on the services menu and scroll down and click security, identity, and compliance here, and click IAM here, manage access to AWS resources. And this is a dashboard of IAM management console. Okay, you see. And you can see currently I have two user groups, three users, two roles, and in the menu on the left you can see I can manage user groups, users, roles, policies, and so on. Now I'm going to create a new user group, and you see currently I have two user groups, and let me create a new one. Click the button create a group here and enter the group name. I want to create a user group for Amazon Web Services admin, so I name the group as AWS admin. And you can see I can attach permissions policies to the user group. I want to attach permission administrator. Okay, you see system administrator here. So I check these policies, these permissions, and click create group. Okay, the user group AWS admin created. Here you see AWS admin, and you see it is attached as a permission. System administrator grants full access permission. You see here. And then I want to add a new user to this group. So on the left menu, click users, and you see there are three users here, and click the button add users. I want to add a new user to the new group. The name is, for example, Nam admin, and I can choose the AWS credential type is access key or password. I choose password and I enter a custom password. It should be a strong password. Okay, and click next to assign permissions. Here I can add this user to the group AWS admin here. So I check the group AWS admin and click next. Okay, next. Okay, review the information. Username, access type. Okay, and this user is in the group AWS admin. So it has the permission administrator, the permission assigned to the group AWS admin, and click button create user. Okay, you see a new user created, Nam admin here, and let me see the details of this user. Okay, click close, and you see the new user got created here, Nam admin. And you see in the permissions tab here, this user is added to the group. In the groups tab here, this user is added to the group AWS admin, and the permission is system administrator. And I want to update the group AWS admin to assign a new permission. I am permission. So click on the group name here. Okay, permissions, and click add permissions button here. Attach policies, and I search for IAM. Okay, you see the permission IAM full access here. Okay, and click add permissions to the group. So see this group AWS admin is assigned two permissions, IAM full access and system administrator. Alright, now let me log out from AWS Management Console, sign out. And now I want to sign into the console using the newly created IAM user. So in the sign in page here, I choose IAM user. And firstly, I need to enter my account ID which I assigned when I create my AWS account. And click next. And then I specify the IAM username, name, admin, and password. Sign in. Okay, you see I have signed successfully to the AWS Management Console under an IAM user, name, admin. Here you see. And now under this IAM user, I can access the IAM dashboard here to manage user groups and users under my account root user groups here, and I can create a new group. I want to create a new user group for Amazon S3, so I name the group as admin S3, and here under the attach permissions policies, I search for S3. Here you see the permission Amazon S3 full access. So I check this permission and click create group. Okay, so you see the new user group created admin S3 here, and it is assigned the permission Amazon S3 full access. And now I can add a new user to this group. Click users, click add users, and enter username name S3. And here I choose the access type is a password and specify a custom password. And I don't want to require password reset, and click next to assign permission. Okay, and I can add this user to the group admin S3 here. So I check this group and click next to review the information, username, access type, permission, and this user is assigned to the group admin S3. Click create user. Okay, the new user created name S3. You see, close. So you see, I have been using an IAM admin user to create a new user group and add a new user to that group. The group admin S3 and the user name S3 here. Okay, so far we have learned how to create IAM users with Amazon Web Services. Note that you should use the AWS account root user for account and service management only, and use IAM users for granting permission to people and programmatic access to applications. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.